Hi. Some time ago I was looking for a serious backup knife to keep in my bushcraft kit. I was looking around and what I finally found was this Swiss Soldier's knife 08 from Victorinox. And I want to make a short review of it today. As you can see, it's a black-green finish, it's pretty large, it's hefty and it's quality. I can say that just by the feel of it. Overall, the knife is 11 centimeters long, 4.3 inches. The weight is 130 grams. So, what does it contain? Let's start with the obvious, the blade. It's designed for one-hand opening like this. It's 8 centimeters long, 3.1 inches. It's 2.4 millimeters at its thickest. It's approximately 0.1 inch. As you can see, the blade is partly serrated and partly straight. The straight part is 2.5 centimeters, an inch, and the rest is serrated. It's also ground a little bit differently because it's only ground on one side. The other side is basically flat as is, so it's very sharp. It's a blade lock mechanism, and you really have to be careful because as a blade is so long, you can really fold it over yourself, which I happen to do already. The next tool, what really made me buy this one, is the saw blade. It's the same length as a knife blade and it's really sharp. I was just out testing it on a piece of wood like this, approximately slightly over an inch thick, and I was cutting in pieces. It took me only about 10 seconds to make this cut. Admittedly, this one is not fresh at all. It's been out laying on the ground for a year or so, but as I say, it took me just 10 seconds, nothing more. This one, by the way, does not lock. There's also a large screwdriver, or as they say at the Victorinox website, crate opener. This one locks, so you can really apply force without risking it folding back on you. And apart from the screwdriver, there is a bottle opener and there is a wire stripper. You can also leave it at 90 degrees to get real hefty torque. At the other side you will find a small screwdriver and the can opener. This one does not lock. On the flip side you will find a Phillips number 2 screwdriver and you will find a reamer or punch. Finally, there is of course a key ring for suspending it. I think this is quality. Thanks for watching.